Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. We have finished revising class 11th and class 12 NCERT biology twice, chapter wise, and starting from today we are going to start our unit wise revision wherein every day we'll provide you 15 MCQs from one of the units of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology. And today, since we are starting with it, today we are going to provide you 15 MCQs from the first unit of class 11th NCERT biology, that is diversity in living world. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The artificial system of classification of plants was discarded because the artificial system of classification of plants was discarded because option A, it separated closely related species. Option B, it was based on fewer characteristics. Option C, it gave equal weightage to vegetative and sexual characters. Or option D, all of above. There was a system of classification called as artificial system of classification meant for plants which was used earlier but now has been discarded. There have been four options given. You have to tell which of these is correct, reason for the discarding of the artificial system of classification. The correct answer is option D, all of above. The artificial system of classification of plants separated closely related species. It placed them into different classes. It was based on very few characteristics and it gave equal weightage of vegetative and sexual characters, which is not correct. Hence the correct answer is option D. Question 2. Ctenophora has which level of organization? Option A, cellular level. Option B, tissue level. Option C, organ level. Or option D, organ system level of organization. Which level of organization is found in Ctenophora? The correct answer is option B, that is tissue level of organization is found in Ctenophora. You all must be knowing that cells combine to form tissues then form organs then together form various organ systems. So as we keep moving on in animal kingdom, the level of organization keeps on increasing, right? From cellular level it increases to tissue level, then organ level, then organ systems level. So in Ctenophora you find tissue level of organization. Question number 3. Genus is a group of similar and related. Option A. Order. Option B. Genera. Option C. Families. Option D. Species. Genus is a group of similar and related. The correct answer is option D. Species. Question number 4. Which of the following is obtained from algae? Option A, wax. Option B, butter. Option C, chocolate. Or option D, carrageenan. Which of the following is obtained from algae? The correct answer is option D. Carrageenan is obtained from algae. Question number 5. Yeast is divided under the class. Option A, Basidiomycetes. Option B, Deuteromycetes. Option C, Ascomycetes. Or option D, Zygomycetes. All these four are classes of the kingdom fungi. So yeast is divided into which class? The correct answer is option C, Ascomycetes. Question 6. Which of the following statements is correct? Four statements are given. Of these, one is correct. You have to identify which one of these is correct. Option A. Arthropoda have respiratory system. Option B. Aschelhelminthes have incomplete digestive system. Option C. Platyhelminthes are pseudocoelomates. Or option 4. Chordates do not show segmentation. Which of the following statements is correct? The correct answer is option A, that is arthropods have respiratory system. Question number 7. In the entire plant kingdom, the name used for a species cannot be repeated in other genera, can be repeated in another genera, can be repeated in same genus, can be repeated in same as well as another genus. The correct answer is option B. It can be repeated in another genus. Question number 8. The excretory organ of flatworms are option A, flame cells, option B, nephridia, option C, Malpighian tubules, or option D, renate glands. Excretory organ of flatworms are. The correct answer is option A, that is flame cells. Question number 9. Root-like structure of moss and roots of vascular plants are option A, analogous structure, option B, homologous structure, option C, embryonic structures, or option D, vestigial structures. The correct answer is option A, that is analogous structures. Question number 10. What is the function of heterocysts found in nostoc and anabaena? Heterocysts are cells which are found in nostoc and anabaena. You have to tell the function of heterocyst. Option A, fix atmospheric nitrogen. Option B, fix atmospheric carbon dioxide. Option C, fix atmospheric oxygen, or option D, phosphorus cycling. What is the function of heterocyst? The correct answer is option A. It is used for fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Question number 11. The method of classifying plants on the basis of several characters like essential oils and pigments is called as option A, phylogenetic system, option B, numerical taxonomy, option C, chemotaxonomy, or option D, natural system. Classification of plants on basis of characters like essential oils and pigments. The correct answer is option C, chemotaxonomy. Question number 12. The macrospore of a conifer, which is never released from the sporangium, divides by mitosis to produce option A, multicellular embryo, option B, needles, option C, female gametophyte, option D, pollen grain. The macrospore of conifer. The correct answer is option C, that is female gametophyte. Question number 13. Which one of the following animals has two separate circulatory pathways? Option A, shark, option B, frog, option C, lizard, option D, whale. Separate circulatory pathways. Correct answer is option D, whale. Question number 14. Which of the following helps in coal formation? Option A, bacteria, option B, gymnosperms, option C, pteridophytes, option D, archaebacteria. Which of the following helps in coal formation? The correct answer is option C, that is pteridophytes. Question number 15. Common form of food stored in a fungal cell is option A, glycogen, option B, starch, option C, glucose, or option D, sucrose. The correct answer is option A, that is glycogen is the common form of food stored in fungal cells. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQs would be the next unit of class 11th NCERT biology. I hope you're finding these series of daily MCQs helpful for your coming NEET exam preparation. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.